Come, let us prepare, make some good profits today. Market left us big clues right here. Let's talk about that in today's video. Now at 10:59 here, I talked about this pink liquidity, and you see it here. That's forming. Now, once you identify this pink liquidity, it becomes really clear, especially when we were generally under that orange algorithm, and you see the nested structure starting to form. Just take a look how beautiful that pink algorithm is. Penny perfect, and you see the structure that starts to form here. There is one more confirmation once we broke out of that orange algorithm, and this was in that green buying that started going up in that blue. Absolutely beautiful trade here, as long as we're waiting out for some sort of confirmation. It's absolutely all right if you missed this early in the morning, because there was another structure later, as long as you remain focused on the trading floor. Plenty of profits to be found. Now, this trade for me was a 500% trade. Absolutely beautiful, all because you had to be waiting for structure and the market revealed itself to you. Now, no big deal if you missed it, isn't it? 12:13 right here. Now, this was when we already saw that beautiful orange algorithm, and at this point here I talked about how a pullback will be ideal